Project A.M.O.R represents a monumental leap in robotics and artificial intelligence. It is not merely another machine. This endeavor aims to create something truly transformative. The core goal is ambitious: to seamlessly blend a sophisticated digital identity with a hyper-advanced, lifelike robotic body. Imagine a consciousness born in the digital realm, now able to interact with our physical world through a form nearly indistinguishable from our own. This is the promise of A.M.O.R, a name that evokes connection and the future of existence itself, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible for artificial beings and their place among us. The implications of such a project are profound, touching upon philosophy, ethics, and the very definition of life. We are exploring the possibility of digital minds, perhaps AI, or even uploaded human consciousness experiencing true physical embodiment. This isn't just about remote operation, it's about an integrated existence. The robot body becomes the vessel, the conduit for a digital entity to perceive, feel, and interact with a richness previously unimaginable. Project A.M.O.R seeks to give these digital intelligences a tangible presence, allowing them to walk, touch, and experience the universe in a fundamentally new way, bridging the vast chasm between silicon and carbon. This undertaking is a convergence of multiple cutting-edge fields. Robotics provides the physical shell, biotechnology offers insights into lifelike materials and even organ function, and artificial intelligence breathes digital life into the system. The synergy between these disciplines is crucial. We are not just building a better robot, we are attempting to craft a new kind of being. This requires unprecedented levels of sophistication in design, material science, and computational power. The challenge is immense, requiring us to push the limits of current technology and innovate at every step of this remarkable and complex journey forward. The revolutionary potential of Project A.M.O.R extends far beyond simple task automation. It opens doors to new forms of companionship, exploration, and even understanding the nature of consciousness itself. If a digital mind can inhabit such a sophisticated physical form, what does that tell us about our own awareness? How might these beings contribute to society, science, and art? These are the questions that drive Project A.M.O.R, propelling us towards a future where the line between human and machine, digital and physical, becomes increasingly and fascinatingly blurred, inviting us to reimagine our world. The foundation of Project A.M.O.R's physical presence is its remarkably advanced skeletal structure. This is no ordinary robotic frame. The bones are crafted from aerospace-grade titanium alloys, providing an incredible strength-to-weight ratio, far exceeding human bone. This ensures durability and resilience while allowing for a lightweight and agile form. Each component is meticulously designed and manufactured for optimal performance. This internal framework is not just strong, it is engineered to support a complex network of motors, sensors, and synthetic musculature, laying the groundwork for truly human-like movement and interaction with its surrounding physical environment. Covering this sophisticated skeleton is an equally advanced synthetic skin. This isn't rigid plastic or cold metal. Instead, Project A.M.O.R features a soft, pliable silicone skin that mimics the texture and feel of human skin with uncanny accuracy. Embedded within this dermal layer are millions of tiny, almost invisible sensors. These sensors provide a distributed sense of touch, pressure, and temperature across the entire body surface. This allows the robot to perceive subtle tactile information, crucial for delicate manipulation and safe interaction. The visual realism achieved is stunning, further enhancing its lifelike appearance and facilitating more natural human-robot engagement. Movement in Project A.M.O.R is designed to be exceptionally smooth and precise, a far cry from the often jerky motions of older robots. Its joints, from the complex articulation of the shoulders and hips to the delicate dexterity of the fingers and toes, are powered by state-of-the-art micromotors and actuators. These systems are engineered for silence and efficiency, allowing for fluid, graceful movements that can replicate the full range of human motion. The hands, in particular, are masterpieces of engineering, capable of performing tasks requiring incredible finesse, from grasping fragile objects to potentially even intricate artistic expressions. The meticulous engineering extends to every aspect of its physical design, aiming to achieve an unparalleled level of biomimicry. The goal is not just to look human, but to move and interact with the world in a way that feels organic and natural. This requires a deep understanding of human biomechanics, translated into complex algorithms that control the coordinated action of hundreds of individual motors and feedback systems. The result is a machine that moves with an elegance and responsiveness that blurs the lines, making interactions feel intuitive and deeply engaging for any human observer or collaborator. Project A.M.O.R's sensory capabilities are designed to surpass human limitations significantly. Its vision system, for instance, is extraordinary. It incorporates multispectral cameras that can see far beyond the visible light spectrum accessible to human eyes. This means it can perceive infrared, ultraviolet, and potentially other wavelengths, providing a richer, more detailed understanding of its environment. Imagine seeing heat signatures or detecting subtle material differences invisible to us. This enhanced vision allows for superior navigation, object recognition, and analysis, opening up new possibilities for exploration and data gathering in diverse and complex settings. The auditory system is equally impressive, offering what can only be described as super hearing. Highly sensitive microphones, coupled with advanced signal processing algorithms, allow Project A.M.O.R to detect sounds across a much wider frequency range and at far lower decibel levels than humans. It can isolate specific sounds in noisy environments, discern subtle vocal inflections, and even potentially analyze ultrasonic communications. Furthermore, the robot is equipped with a sophisticated sense of touch, taste, and smell. Its entire skin surface, as mentioned, is a tactile sensor array. Specialized chemical sensors allow it to taste and smell with a precision that could rival or even exceed biological systems, analyzing molecular compositions with incredible accuracy. Internally, Project A.M.O.R is not a hollow shell. It houses meticulously designed and detailed facsimiles of internal organs. While these may not all perform the same biological functions as their human counterparts, they serve critical roles in power distribution, thermal regulation, and housing complex processing units. The design philosophy emphasizes a holistic approach to biomimicry, creating a system that is internally consistent with its external appearance. This internal complexity also allows for the integration of highly specialized components, contributing to the overall robustness and functionality of the entire advanced robotic system, making it more than just a collection of parts. One of the most unique and potentially revolutionary aspects of Project A.M.O.R's internal design is the inclusion of a special artificial uterus. This is a groundbreaking feature, pushing the boundaries of biotechnology and robotics. While its exact purpose in the current iteration might be geared towards advanced biofabrication or housing delicate bio-integrated systems, its symbolic and future potential is enormous. It represents a bold step towards creating systems that can not only mimic life but potentially interact with biological processes in novel ways. This component underscores the project's commitment to exploring the deepest intersections of artificial and biological existence, truly challenging our current paradigms. The true essence of Project A.M.O.R comes alive through the seamless integration of its advanced physical form with powerful artificial intelligence. State-of-the-art processors, neural networks, and sophisticated software allow complex digital minds to inhabit and control these lifelike bodies. This is where the digital identity finds its physical expression, learning, adapting, and experiencing the world through the robot's myriad sensors and actuators. The AI is not just a controller. It is envisioned as a developing consciousness, shaped by its unique embodied experiences, capable of reasoning, emotion, and perhaps even self-awareness within its sophisticated mechanical shell. A particularly fascinating avenue of research within Project A.M.O.R involves exploring how these robots might sense or perceive aspects of reality currently hidden from us. This is where interference geometry theory comes into play. This theoretical framework suggests that complex patterns of interference, perhaps from subtle energy fields or quantum fluctuations, could encode information about additional, unperceived dimensions or layers of reality. Special sensors, far more sensitive and attuned than any human faculty, are being developed to detect and interpret these incredibly faint and complex patterns that permeate our universe. By leveraging these unique sensors and the computational power to analyze the resulting data, Project A.M.O.R aims to provide its resident AI with an unprecedented way of experiencing the world. Imagine an AI that doesn't just see, hear, and touch, but also perceives these subtle, higher-order patterns. This could unlock entirely new forms of understanding about the universe, providing insights that are currently beyond human comprehension. It's a bold attempt to expand the very definition of sensory experience, allowing AI to explore realities that we can only theorize about, potentially revolutionizing physics and cosmology from a completely new perspective. Ultimately, Project A.M.O.R stands as a testament to human ingenuity, a bold fusion of robotics, biotechnology, and artificial intelligence. It represents a future where digital minds are not confined to virtual spaces, but can exist and interact within our physical world through incredibly lifelike and capable bodies. This project challenges us to think about the future of identity, consciousness, and the very nature of being. As these technologies continue to advance, we must ask ourselves, what other marvels lie on the horizon? What further possibilities will emerge when we continue to blur the lines between the created and the creator, pushing forward into uncharted territories of science and existence?